This is a repair attempt for a Jeffery Haddox. Claim number is 0160, H is in hotel, 287C is in Charlie. We have got wind damage on this back slope. There's one, there's one, there's one. We got tarps covering the damaged area, which, as you know, being that there's a fastener driven through the tarp to protect the damaged area, obviously it's going to widen the area that's damaged. This is about a 1.5 square area here on the left elevation, or the left slope. This is the front slope. You've got wind on the front slope also. You've got more wind over here on the front slope from the tornado that came through here. There's another one that's creased on the front. That's the left facing slope here, along with what's on the other side. And then you have the right facing slope, and you've got a tarp here below the chimney from some wind damage, but then you've also got wind here also. And you got a tarp on the back. So we're gonna do an attempt to repair right here. I've already got it marked up. This is the shingle. In my opinion, it's not repairable because of the fact that it's very widespread and the shingles aren't pliable. But we're going to unseal this shingle here with an applique that's damaged. And we're going to be as gentle as possible in the process of doing this, but the shingles are very likely going to come apart during that process. See, that shingle's torn. Had a nail pull through. Old shingle. See, that applique was creased. So we're gonna get our new shingle. It's not the same color shingle, but it's good enough. It's just for repairability purposes. We're not actually gonna leave this up here. It's just to illustrate that it's not repairable. Same manufacturer, just a different color. It's black. This is Corey gray. I've removed the old nails. From under here. Let's do that. Get these out. New shingle there. So I also got to install new nails here. This shingle was nailed through the top of the old shingle, so now I got to put some new nails there. It's okay. Prop my phone up here. So you can see me. I don't have a photographer, so I have to do this the best we can. There we go. Yes, we are using our shingle bar. We don't want to lift the shingles too high. There's our new shingle. You can see you have our old shingle where we had to install new nails to get the old shingle out. This shingle was nailed through the top of the old shingle, so we had to install some new nails up here where you pulled the nails through. But you can see the shingles are very brittle. You see the granules are just falling off. That shingle's creased. Right through here. You can see the crease. There and there. We had to lift it. So now this shingle's creased. This shingle was already creased. You already had an applique that was damaged, but you can still see where you got some granule loss now. And especially this one. We had to pick it up to get the old shingle out and the new shingle in. Again, this roof has got a lot of widespread damage. It's not a big roof. I didn't measure it, but I would say it's probably within 15, 20 squares. Probably closer to 17 squares. Claim number 0160, H is in hotel, 287C is in Charlie. Tarps everywhere from the prior roofer that was out here. And I didn't torque this roof, so I don't know what their method was or where the actual area underneath here was damaged, because I don't want to remove the tarp and disturb the area and create a bigger problem. But it's okay because you got wind damage everywhere else. I don't know if those shingles were actually missing, and that's why they did it, or if they were creased like these were. But you've got enough wind damage in other places, in other areas where you can work off of just a few shingles to do a repair attempt. Again, claim number 0160, H is in hotel, 287C is in Charlie. Dalton with Ridgeline Roofing. And this is for Jeffery Haddox. There's a framing nail. Thank you.